Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to process order in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So simply all we need to do is to go to the order page of WooCommerce. So here in your admin panel, we need to go to WooCommerce, go to orders, and from there we will find all the orders. So here I have zero order, so I'm just going to create a new one. So first, always you will have these status. So basically there is dependent payment, processing, on hold, completed, etc. So first, it will become like this, or we will have an order as follow. So you will need to add, for example, an item. So I'm just going to add some kind of products. So let's just check the product that I have. And from there, for example, let's just go to Bohemian Rhapsody. And here I'm just going to choose this one and click on add, etc. Recalculate and OK. And we have the order total, etc. etc. And those are some custom fields that I don't like once. So here you can reset new order, etc. So I'm just going to create the order. And now we have a new order that has been created. So let's just go to our order, and here we can see that our order is waiting for payments. So basically, let's just click on this order and change its status as payment has processed or the payment has been done, and we will do the updates. So basically that step would be managed by the payment gateway. If you go to paid, so you will make the status that will go to processing automatically. And now you will need to start trying the shipping and that stuff, or whatever you are going to do, like packaging the the these order, and then you will need just to update these uh, order by choosing or by adding the shipping address, etc. And you will need just to go and make it on hold. And basically the customer will be here, and you will need just to click on uh, update again, and you will have your order that will be updated. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.